Hi everyone, so here is my demonstration for my reflection and refraction shader. So first of all, for the environment mapping, I used a cube map with 6 images. First of all, I'd like to show the chromatic dispersion effect. So I can change the index of reflection for the red, green, and blue lights. The value I change is eta, the ratio of the index of reflection of the environment over the index of reflection of the material. Since this eta is proportional to the wavelength, it makes more sense to have a lower eta for green and blue values. So that's what we're going to do here. And here we go. So here is the chromatic dispersion effect on the sphere and on the teapot. We can see right now that there's almost no reflection. The material seems to be transparent. It's because we have eta values very close to 1. So the index of refraction of the material is very close to the index of the environment. But if we lower the eta values, so like this, up, here we go, we can see now that the material appears to be much more metallic, and we see these mountains here are the reflection of these mountains here. We still see some refraction. That's because the eta is not quite to 0, it's 0.01. Now, if you want to see Fresnel ratio effects, it's better to display only the reflection in the first time. So that's what I'm doing here. You can see there's no longer the mountains here coming from the refraction. And if we set the eta values close to 1 again, we will see better the effect of Fresnel ratio. So as you can see, in the middle of the sphere appears to be very black, while the edges here have still some colors. That's the effect of Fresnel ratio, and if we switch to refraction only, we will see the opposite effect. Here we go. So we see very well the colors in the middle of the sphere, but at the border of the sphere, we see no refraction coming, there's no light. And that's the effect of Fresnel ratio. That's it.